Hello, hello. My name is Stephanie Deeds.
And I'm John Deeds.
And we are the owners of Point Realty.
So some people ask us, why the dog? Why the dog with Point Realty?
Why not a house in your logo? It doesn't really say a lot about real estate to have a dog. So we actually ended up choosing a dog for our logo based on the characteristics that our very own English pointer. His name is Bandit. He's adorable. But he has so many characteristics that we actually thought, you know what, if he was a person, if he was a company, if he was a boss, if he was, like, those are great characteristics that people should have, right?
Right. So some of the ones we like to say are loyal. That dog is as loyal as the day is long,
He
right?
is so loyal.
Driven. He can hunt 25 miles in a day.
I mean, he hunts butterflies, to be fair.
He
But he will go after the same one for a long time.
Yeah, for like 10 hours a day.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Also, we say boundless energy because we wanted it to look good on a brochure, but he has so much energy. He is going to go the extra mile because he just does not calm down, settle down, right? And I think those characteristics really sort of play into the kind of business owners we want to be and the kind of support that we want to offer to our agents.
Yeah. But most importantly, we just want to be a little different. I mean, we want to be fun, just like, what this dog symbolizes. And
Yeah, we want to be different, but in the best way. We want to be a place where you can come to work and know that you're going to have support, you're going to have education, you're going to have a knowledgeable broker who can lead you through whatever challenge it is that you might be going through, whether it's with a transaction or something else. We really want to be there for our people. But also, it is going to be a fun place to come, and the marketing is fun. You got a dog to work with, like the logo's cute. It's a really unique and cool place to work. We feel like that's what we're trying to offer to our people. So if you have questions or would like some more information about what we do here at Point Realty, please reach out. It would be a privilege to speak with you and talk to you more about what we're trying to build here. Thanks so much for watching.